What's up everyone, welcome back to channel. Today is finally the day my new exhaust just arrived for my Honda CBR500. I've been riding with the stock exhaust for a while, and while it's a great bike, I have felt the sound was a little bit quiet. So after doing some research, I decided to go with LeoVince GP Corsa EVO Black Edition. Let me show you the label. This GP Corsa Black Edition just slip-on exhaust. It is made specially for Honda CBR500 and few other Honda 500 models. What caught my attention was aggressive design, the black finish, of course the sound. Let's open up and see what we got. I haven't looked at it yet. Wow, this looks great. Black finish looks amazing already. Before we install it, let's hear the exhaust sound one last time, and then we will put the LeoVince and compare the difference. Let me turn on my motorcycle. Alright, installation is complete, everything is tightened down and ready to go. I've been waiting for this moment all week, guys. Let's hear how it sounds. Wow! That is completely a different bike. Deeper, louder, much more aggressive tone than stock exhaust. That's the exact kind of sound I was hoping for. Get a little bit gas.